Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about lesson number 5, The Yellow Butterfly, from Marigold book for class 3rd. First of all, I am going to tell you the summary of this chapter. The Yellow Butterfly is a story about a yellow colored butterfly which is admired by a little boy named Sonu. The butterfly was very beautiful. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Spots mean marks, design. One day it was flying in Sonu's garden. He wanted to catch it. Wherever it flew, he went behind it. Firstly, it flew to a rose flower, then to a lotus flower, and then to a pink flower of a peach tree. Peach tree means a round stone juicy fruit tree. Sonu followed it wherever it flew, but he couldn't catch it. After some time, the butterfly was caught in a big spider's web. Web means मकड़ी का जाला, which was on the peach tree. There was a big spider in the center of the web. It wanted to catch it, but before the spider could catch it, Sonu saved it from the spider's web and caught it in his hands. At that time, butterfly was looking very sad in his hands, but he wanted it to be happy. So, he let it go. Then this butterfly started to fly in the garden everywhere. Now it was made free and happy. मीन जब ये बटरफ्लाई इस वेब से इस स्पाइडर से बचकर आ गई, जब सोनू ने इसको इस वेब से स्पाइडर से बचा लिया, तो फिर ये वहीं फिर वो घूमने लगी, फ्लाई करने लगी गार्डन में जहाँ पर ये पहले कर रही थी, और वापस इस गार्डन में फ्लाई करते हुए ये बहुत खुश हो रहे थे. सो दिस इज द समरी ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द रीडिंग ऑफ दिस लेसन. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. येलो कलर बटरफ्लाई वॉज फ्लाइंग इन सोनू गार्डन में. सोनू के गार्डन में ये येलो कलर की बटरफ्लाई थी, वो फ्लाई कर रही थी. सोनू सॉ द बटरफ्लाई, ही रैन टू कैच इट. देन सोनू सॉ दिस बटरफ्लाई एंड ही रैन टू कैच इट. जैसे ही वो इसको देखता है बटरफ्लाई को, और वो उसके पीछे पीछे उसको पकड़ने के लिए भागता है. द बटरफ्लाई फ्लू टू द रोज बेड. रोज बेड मीन रोज फ्लावर बेड. इट सेट ऑन अ रेड रोज. फर्स्टली ये जो बटरफ्लाई होती है वो रोज फ्लावर के बेड में जाती है और फिर उसके रेड रोज में जाकर बैठ जाती है. नाउ I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently. Silently means calmly, chupchap, to catch the butterfly. He came closer. Closer means nearer, बहुत ही पास. Closer and still closer, but then off flew the butterfly. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. Then Sonu said, I will surely catch it. He walks slowly and calmly to catch it. मीन वो फिर धीरे धीरे और बड़े ही चुपचाप इसके पीछे जाता है इसको पकड़ने के लिए. He came closer, closer and still closer. जैसे ही उसके पास जाता है then off flew the butterfly. तो उसी टाइम ही जो है बटरफ्लाई उड़ जाते हैं. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. Pond means a small body of water like this. This is called pond. Mean छोटा सा तालाब. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. Floated mean moved. Where did the butterfly go? Then Sonu said, where is the butterfly? Near the garden was a pond. Mean garden के पास ही एक छोटा सा तालाब था, pond था. In the pond was a white lotus. In this pond was a white lotus. Mean white color का लोटस था उसमें. Around it grew round leaves. और इसके इर्द गिर्द राउंड लीव्स थे. They floated in the water and these leaves were floating on the water. Floating mean moved. Mean ये जो लीव्स थे इस पॉन्ड के पानी की सतह के ऊपर चल रहे थे. The butterfly sailed. Sailed mean moved quickly on a floating leaf. Then ये जो बटरफ्लाई थी इस फ्लोटिंग लीफ के ऊपर तैरने लगी, चलने लगी. Sonu went splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. Then Sonu came in the pond to catch it. When he came in the pond, immediately the butterfly flew from there. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Then Sonu said, where was it? Mean कि अब ये बटरफ्लाई कहाँ चली गई है. Sonu looked up and he looked down. Then Sonu up and down mean कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे देखने लगा. Near the wall was a peach tree. mean उस वॉल के पास ही एक पीच का ट्री था. पीच ट्री क्या होता है? अ राउंड स्टोन जूसी फ्रूट ट्री जिसके ऊपर पिंक कलर के फ्लावर लगे होते हैं. और इसका जो फ्रूट होता है जहाँ तो वो ऑरेंज और येलो कलर का होता है, जहाँ फिर पिंकिश और येलो कलर का होता है. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. Pretty mean beautiful. Near the wall was a peach tree. Mean उस वॉल के पास एक पीच का ट्री था. It had pink flower. और इसके ऊपर पिंक कलर के फ्लावर लगे हुए थे. They are beautiful. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. और जो बटरफ्लाई थी वो pretty mean ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर के ऊपर बैठ जाती है. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree. Up, he climbed. But back it flew down from the tree. When Sonu saw the butterfly climbed on the peach tree, then he also climbed on that tree. And when he climbed on the tree to catch it, again this butterfly flew down. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly. Chased mean followed, पीछा करना. Then Sonu also jumped down. mean वो भी उसके पीछे ही नीचे आ गया. He chased the butterfly. और उसने फिर उसका पीछा करना शुरू कर दिया उसको पकड़ने के लिए. From the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree. But he could not catch the butterfly. Mean when butterfly came down from the peach tree, and also Sonu came down from the peach tree, and then this butterfly flew again to the rose flower, then to the lotus flower, and then climbed on the peach tree. Then Sonu also chased it. Chased mean इसका पीछा करते करते जहाँ जहाँ भी ये जाती है ये इसके पीछे पीछे वहीं जाता है, जैसे टू द रोज फ्लावर, देन टू द लोटस फ्लावर एंड टू द पीस ट्री. बट ही कुड नॉट कैच द बटरफ्लाई. बट वो इसको पकड़ नहीं पाता है. ही कुडेंट कैच इट. So students, the reading of next part of this chapter will be done tomorrow. You have to do the reading of this page. Thank you.